G'day guys, how you going? Today I am replacing some gutters and some fascia. There used to be a shed coming off here, a mate of mine, and he's taken that down. They've got all these bolts sticking out of the fascia here, and the gutters are a bit worse for wear. So I've got a great new pool area in. So what we're going to do is just take all this guttering off, and then take all the fascia off as well. Replace that with a Colorbond, so I don't have to paint it, and it'll last for a lot longer. And replace the downpipe. There's meant to be a downpipe over there that was taken off when the shed was here, but now it's removed. So just fix it up. I think it'll give the place a real good lift. But I'll check in throughout the rest of the day and show you the progress. Okay, catch you later. Okay, so we've got the old gutter off, and now we've taken the old fascia. We're just removing all the old clips now, and then we can put the new fascia back on, and then we'll start getting the new guttering on. Okay, we're all sorted. Hard to sort of match different profiles of gutters and fascia, but anyway, it turned out pretty good. You can see that the gutter there, we just tucked it around the corner a bit with the new stuff for a while, and then eventually they can, when they remove the gutters, they can use the same stuff. That goes along all the way here. Just finishing the last few bits here. The new downpipe going down into the grate nicely. It goes along, so we've got a bit of action here. We've got square gutter going into a round, and just sort of fix it up a bit there. That looks pretty good. And another one there, another downpipe. So all good. It's a success, and great to see it all finished. Don't want to do it all the time, but it's good for a change.